At a speed of?
2 feet per second. How fast the top of the ladder descending to the top of the ladder? 8 feet high.
So let's draw our ladder, or our right triangle, I mean. How tall is the ladder? 10 feet. And what other information do we have about the ladder? That is, it is leaning against the wall that is how high? 8 feet. So how can I find our ground distance? 6. If y'all remember Pythagorean triple, it'll be 3, 4, 5 triangle. Okay, let's write out Fuigi. It says, how fast is the top of the ladder descending when it's 8 feet high? So top of the ladder is descending. So let's go to name them. I'm going to call this C. And I'm going to call A as an altitude, how high it is vertically, and call this one B. You can change the A and B, it doesn't matter. If you're not writing this down and not listening, good luck to you on Monday. All right, so we are looking at the distance or the rate of which value. Is it A or B? Top of the ladder. The ladder is sliding down, sliding down, sliding down along the altitude. So we're looking for dA over dt. And the information that they gave us was 8 feet, that I'm just going to draw the arrow and say, hey, I drew everything. What rate did they already give us? Okay. So the bottom of the ladder is sliding away from the wall. So bottom of the ladder is B. So we're looking at dB over dt. It's given us 2 feet per second. And what equation are we using? A squared plus B squared is equal to C squared. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and get rid of the paper completely since I don't need it anymore. So I'm going to zoom out. Yeah, you saw the triple, 3, 4, 5, right? Right on. And we are going to derive this. So I'm going to use this room right here. Let's rewrite out the function. And by that I mean the equation. So we are going to derive it with respect to t. So we have derivative of this function with respect to t. So what is the derivative of a squared? 2a. Now, for this one, we have to write dA over what? dt. And then what is the derivative of b squared?
2b.
2b. And again, we have to write out dB over dt. And my last one, the derivative of c squared? 2c, dc over dt. And let's see if I have all the information given to us. We are looking for dA over dt. This is what we are looking for. Well, let me make sure my Zoomers are not muted. Can you guys hear me? Okay. So let's plug everything in. So I'm going to plug in 2. My A value is 8. We're looking for dA over dt, so I'm going to leave that alone. Someone's talking over me. Stop. The B value is 6. And didn't they give us dB over dt, which is 2? So I have 2 times my C is 10. And is there a change in the ladder? Does the ladder become longer or smaller? So that's going to be 0. That would be pretty fancy, though. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get rid of this guy. And let's do this in one go. Let's do dA over dt. And I'm going to subtract this guy, which I get negative 24 over 16. And that's going to give me negative 3 over 2 feet per second. And let's see if the number is relevant. If the ladder is going down, 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 it's getting shorter and shorter. Does it make sense my rate is negative? Yes. Okay. So if it's getting longer and your value is not positive, you've done something wrong. Okay. All right. Let's go ahead and go over the rest of them with a partner. Yes, do use my reference. When I walk around and you guys aren't working, I'm going to be very upset. All right. So everybody work. Mm-hmm. A plus B equals C. Mm-hmm. I have no idea. There is this fun fact on inequalities of triangles.